I'm gonna miss out on these Yeezys. The zebras. It's today, fam. And I'm going to LA with Shishabai Gil focus camera. Alright. And Yuri Rocks. Still haven't took a shower yet. Well, I don't know who's that. Yeah, but your boy's going to LA, you feel me? No more parties in LA. Y'all already know. It's gonna be my first time going on an airplane because I've never been in an airplane before. I was when I was a baby. But right now, when I'm older, I've never been to an airplane before. This mother asshole already went to an airplane. Freaking bitch. Fuck you. Last year, they went to BitCon last year. They didn't bring your boy because I was unemployed. You feel me? We go on Netflix and chill. We just waiting for your boy Mike. It's that boy Mike. And pretty much that's it. And we're gonna go on ahead and go to the airport, you feel me? And that's pretty much it. I'm pretty nervous though. Yeah.
Shorts, I mean 6 shorts.
6?
No, 6 undies, 6 socks, 6 shirts, shorts, swim trunks, and 2 dress shirts. And that's all I need. And I'm done.
No jeans?
No jeans?
I'm wearing my jeans.
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Wait,
Your reels all
you only
prepared.
bought 6 though?
Girl,
6 what?
6 pairs?
Wait. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's hitting mine. Hang on. Alright, okay, like that.
Got the Uber.
Woo! Alright, we did it.
What up? Your boy's pretty nervous right now. As you can see, my hands are freaking shaking. That's great.
Alright, camera ready. Camera ready.
Yeah. Hey, y'all some assholes.
It's gonna be funny, man.
Do you have a ponytail, bro?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's a man bun.
Oh, shit. Ahorita, ¿sabes? Ahorita no me estoy yendo para atrás. Oh, we didn't get a few wings. What's up?
What's up?
VidCon 2017.
VidCon 2017 thing. Why?
Start saying your Padre Nuestro.
Nuestro Padre Nuestro. Te lo suplico. I'm gonna pray for my sins. Oh. I love it. Oh shit.
¿Qué tienes tu mano?
I don't know. I just popped like I just feel a damn nerve. What happened, bro?
Se mira igual como el paint.
Oh yeah, like in the freaking painting. Yeah.
How do you feel, Damien? How do you feel about your first time flying on a plane?
I'm gonna shit myself.
Well, what do you got to say to your mom and dad back home? Any friends who are watching this?
Nothing but a
Is it
thank.
true that I can have your Nintendo Switch if you don't make it out of this alive?
You already have a Nintendo Switch.
I want your Nintendo Switch.
Why?
Cause? How about those Yeezys? Can I have those Yeezys?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Maybe? Alright. Alright.
Well, what size are you on shoes?
I'm your size.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
What? You're not 9.5.
Yeah, yeah.
Ray, if you're watching this, you know I love you. I love you, fam.
See that antenna? Oh, you're recording. Wait, you see that antenna over there? There's one like that by my house. From hospital. Yeah. I like your shirt, Damien. Very classy. Very classy. Very nice.
Oh yeah, it's his first time.
First time.
He's been shaking.
I love you. back to the terminal. Oh, never mind. We gotta go back to the terminal.
Last words you want to say?
Again.
I'm still a virgin.
Such a lie.
I'm not.
We'll put that on your tombstone.
Yeah, put that on my tombstone. That's Uriel right there. At least I'm not a virgin. I'm not on a diet being a virgin, so fuck it. At least I did my deed before I died. Alright guys, I'm hella fucking tired. I didn't record anything at all. So your boy's gonna record tomorrow for BitCon. So, you know, get that shit ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna hella record everything for BitCon. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video though. By tomorrow. Today. Whatever. Alright, see you guys to that. I'm Shiny Arcanine here. And I'm out. Peace.